Did you know that irregular galaxies are some of the most bizarre and beautiful structures in the universe? Unlike the classic spiral or elliptical galaxies, these cosmic oddballs challenge our understanding of how galaxies are formed. Stick around because we're about to dive into 5 mind-blowing secrets about irregular galaxies that you won't want to miss. All right, let's get into it. Irregular galaxies are fascinating celestial bodies that don't fit into the traditional categories of spiral or elliptical galaxies. They come in all shapes and sizes, often with chaotic structures and a mix of star formations. These galaxies hold significant importance in the universe, and exploring them can reveal secrets about cosmic evolution and the nature of dark matter. So buckle up as we uncover some incredible facts about these stellar enigmas. Now, let's talk about the challenges astronomers face when it comes to studying irregular galaxies. First off, these galaxies are notoriously difficult to classify. Their chaotic structures can make it hard to determine their size, shape, and even their composition. Unlike spiral galaxies, which have well-defined arms and centers, irregular galaxies can look like a jumbled mess of stars and gas. This variety makes it tough to group them into neat categories. Moreover, their irregularity also affects how we study them. Many of these galaxies are located in regions of the universe that are far away, and they can be faint and hard to spot. Astronomers often rely on advanced telescopes and imaging techniques to capture data on these elusive structures. On top of that, the interactions between irregular galaxies and other cosmic entities can lead to further complications in understanding their behavior. So, as you can see, studying these cosmic puzzles is no walk in the park. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into 5 mind-blowing secrets about irregular galaxies. First up, did you know that irregular galaxies are often the result of galactic collisions? When 2 galaxies collide, their gravitational forces can disrupt their shapes, resulting in the formation of an irregular galaxy. This means that many of these bizarre structures are born from chaos. Next, let's talk about star formation. Irregular galaxies can be hotspots for new star creation, often producing stars at a rate much higher than their more structured counterparts. This means they can have bursts of star formation fueled by the interaction of gas and dust within their chaotic environments. Third, these galaxies offer a unique glimpse into the dark matter that permeates the universe. They often contain large amounts of dark matter, which influences their gravitational dynamics. By studying the mass distribution in irregular galaxies, astronomers can learn more about the mysterious dark matter that remains one of the biggest enigmas of our time. Fourth, some irregular galaxies are surprisingly compact and can be home to exotic stellar populations. For example, they can contain massive stars and even supernova remnants, shedding light on the life cycles of stars in varied environments. Lastly, one of the most exciting aspects of irregular galaxies is their potential to harbor life. While we often associate life with more stable environments, the chaotic nature of irregular galaxies could lead to unique conditions that are conducive to the formation of life. Who knows what kind of cosmic surprises await us in these distant realms? Now, here's the kicker. One of the most shocking revelations about irregular galaxies is their potential to challenge our understanding of life in the universe. A team of astronomers recently discovered an irregular galaxy with unusual chemical signatures that suggest it may have conditions suitable for life. This changes everything we thought we knew about where life can exist. It opens up the possibility that even in the most chaotic environments, life can find a way to thrive. This discovery has astronomers buzzing and could lead to a paradigm shift in our search for extraterrestrial life. So to wrap it all up, irregular galaxies are not just cosmic oddities. They are key players in our understanding of the universe. From their chaotic formations to their potential for harboring life, these galaxies challenge our perceptions and excite our imaginations. The secrets they hold about cosmic evolution, dark matter, and the nature of life make them truly fascinating subjects of study in astronomy. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about irregular galaxies? Do you believe they could host life? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're eager to learn more about the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to check out my other videos on related topics. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next cosmic adventure.